Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. A project title is eBail, Automated Bail Case Management. This is abstract. The eBail system is a web-based application developed using Flask framework that streamlines and digitalizes the traditional bail application process within a judicial system. The system is designed to facilitate seamless interaction among three key roles: prisoners, legal advocates, and judges, enabling end-to-end digital processing of bail applications. The system incorporates a machine learning models to perform initial eligibility screening of bail requests, thus automating the early stage decision-making progress and reducing the workload on human reviewers. Upon submission, each application is evaluated by the ML model based on predefined features such as IPC section, nature of offense, and prior record and residential stability. If deemed potentially eligible, the application proceeds to review stages handled by legal advocates and judges. Advocates assess the applications and may either forward them to the judge or reject them with appropriate remarks. Judges mark them the final decision to grant or deny bail based on the case details and advocate recommendations. By integrating predictive analytics with the structured review progress, the eBail system improves efficiency, transparency, and traceability in judicial bail procedures. It demonstrates how modern web technologies and artificial intelligence can enhance the decision making in legal systems. This is the overall flow diagram. We have split this into three main modules: prisoner, legal advocate, and judge. Prisoner also start and then register and login, then submit the bail application. It will be move on to the ML eligibility check. Whether it is possible, it is forward to the legal advocate, or it is not eligible means return back to the prisoner. This is the prisoners module. Let's see the output for this particular module. And this one is the home page. Here we have a certain sections. This section is mainly represent the services and about us section also. Here we have a register option. Here we have register a new rules, new name and password, and select what's your role. I choose it for the prisoner, so it will be successfully registered. Then move on to the apply for a bail. So enter with the case number, and the case is under which IPC section, so 304, and select offense, assault or the theft likewise. Residential stability, whether it is you are in a stable or unstable condition. Select prior, do you have any prior records or no? Yes means yes, and reason for that, my health issue. So I have submit the application. It will be submitted. Status shown as the pending advocate review. So view details means it will show the view details with the current status also. Back to the dashboard, and finally log out. Come back to our home page. This is the output for the prisoners module. And second module is a legal advocate. Here also we have register as well as login. Once the registered user means directly move on to the login. He received the applications from a prisoners. Hence, he also approved it by checking the details of the case, and then characters, and then activities of the prisoner. Once he is forward to the judge, or else it will be rejected in the legal advocate section. Then final is logout. Let's see the output for the legal advocate module. Again I register with the new username and password and select your role and register. So you will see what is a case and then a application received from a prisoners. So review that. It will show all the details, application details, and show the case number and prisoner name, what are the application date, and then IPC section, what is it, overall overall application details. And here is a review for the advocate. And here two options, one is a forward to judge and one more is the reject. So if you want to forward to the judge means you also mention it, it is approval, it will be approved, and submit review. So bail application is already forwarded to the judge. So view details, it will show the current status also. So back to dashboard and log out. The final module is the judge module. Here also we have a register as well as a login options. Then once the application received from the forward from the legal advocate, he will see the application status as well as the case history, what are the things he want to do. He will also see that, and then finally he will decide the bail must be granted or not. If no means it will be come back to our prisoner. No means yes means okay, it will be successfully possible to prisoner. Then finally log out. And this is the third module. Let's see the output for this. I enter with the new username and password for the judge. So enter. See, you have a application status. Advocate comments, it will approved. Advocate up review date, and then status. So review application, click on that, it will show you have approve or reject. So I have approved it and show any comments and submit decision. So bail application approved and log out. Then go with the login with your prisoner ID to see the status. So status is approved. Judge comment, decision date, what are the things we have decided it will show us in the dashboard. This is the final output for that. Thank you.